Mic check 1 2 1 2. Is this thing on? Okay, so I wanted to sit down and have a little chit chat because I haven't did like a lock update and it's been 4 years now. So let's get into it. Before I even started my locks, I was following so many lock girlies because I wanted their locks. But now that my locks are lock goals, the question is, what's next? Where do you go when you finally get to the place you once dreamed about? When I first started, I was deep into the lot girly world, saving inspiration pics, following pages, binge watching journey updates. I was so focused on the end goal, long, full, beautiful, luscious Rapunzel, let down your locks type of locks, okay? That I sometimes forgot to actually enjoy my own process. And listen, the beginning was not easy. There was frizz, unraveling, awkward stages, and of course, comparison. I don't want to admit it, but I was comparing. I used to look at my hair and wonder if it would ever be that pretty. But what I didn't realize was that locks force you to slow down. They teach you patience, discipline, and self acceptance, self love, all of that. What I wanted back then wasn't just their hair, it was their confidence, it was the peace that they had within their own journey. Now, fast forward 4 years, my locks have literally transformed. They've thickened, they've matured, and they've grown. Do you see how long they are? Like, I still can't even fathom. I'm befuddled. But honestly, they've become everything I once prayed for and manifested for. The wildest part is that people now tell me my locks are their inspiration. I went from looking for lock goals to being lock goals. But the deeper truth is, this isn't just hair. My locks have grown with me in every area of my life, okay? Through my fitness journey, my spiritual practices, building my businesses, even the rituals that I keep daily, like oiling my scalp, using herbs, and eating plant based. Everything I do to take care of myself shows up in the health of my locks. They are literally a reflection of my inner world. They've taught me consistency, discipline, and how to trust the process even when it doesn't look perfect. So, what's next when your locks finally become lock goals? For me, it's not about chasing perfection anymore, it's about deepening the journey. Now it's about maintenance, creativity, and expression, playing with styles, accessorizing my locks with rings and jewels and charms and crystals, and keeping them healthy with natural products and just really just enjoying them, like letting them be. It's also about using my journey to inspire others, especially people who are just starting and maybe doubting themselves like I once did. Locks are not a finish line. They are forever evolving, just like me, just like you. So, yeah, I started off following everybody else's journey, and now I look in the mirror and realize I've become the inspiration I once searched for. If you're just starting, be patient. If you are in the middle, don't give up. And if you are at your goal, length, or stage, just remember the journey doesn't end here. Locks are about evolution, self love, and alignment.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.